to the next holy tale. Jesus. Thank you, Nama Awards, for this award, for this motivation. This is proof, and this is proof to hip hop, to the next Voltz JT, to the next Holy 10, to the next Saint Flow, to the next Bling 4, to the next Baga. This is proof to this is achievable. So thank you, my Jesus.
I'm very proud to be Zimbabwean. I'd like to say thank you to God above, to Lord Jesus Christ. You are everything to me. I'd like to say thank you to my incredible team, my incredible management, Mr. J, Uncle Zane, Swish Media. I'd like to say thank you to my dancers, because you guys are amazing. I'd like to say thank you to my parents, my mom and my dad, for always believing in me. Congratulations to all the nominees. Congratulations to Shashu, who's been incredible this year. Congratulations to Mama Manyoa. You are an inspiration to so many of us. Congratulations to all the females who are killing it. Thank you so much, Zimbabwe, and good night.
Yes, and you tell them my fans, I'm Achisimbisa together. Yes,